Hey guys, so there's nothing anybody loves more than smoked meat. So today we want to talk about the Bradley smoker. I think it's loved by many. How could you not? But today we wanted to talk about something really, really exciting, which is the Bradley smoker port covers. As you can see on this side, when you remove this, you see there's a big hole. It's winter, it's cold, critter is going to climb in there. You don't want that. So you created these. Honestly, they're hilarious. They're awesome. You can stick them right against the side of your Bradley smoker, but they fit in perfectly if you just slide them there. Critters be gone. They can't sneak in there. It looks awesome. It's a conversation starter. You can't go wrong. And then in the back, you can see these port covers here. So if you come to the back of the smoker, see right down here, just hooked onto the screw here. If you pull them out, they stay, so you're not going to lose them, because you definitely don't want that. But again, these two holes in the winter, you're going to have a creepy spider crawling in there. Nobody wants a spider mixed with their meat. It's just not yummy at all. Or rust, which is a very good point. So they're right on there when you need them. You just close them up, and you're good to go. You don't have to worry about critters climbing in there from any which way. They look awesome, super easy to use. You have them when you need them, and all you do is get to enjoy your smoker. There's nothing better. So you may be wondering where you can find them. You can find them at bradleysmoker.com. Get yours today.